Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you are watching this channel for first time, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Now today I am going to discuss about job notification. I think many of you are eagerly waiting for job notifications. So here I am with SBI job notification. I think many of you might be having an aim to work in a bank. So, all graduates most probably will think to work as a bank employee because it is a very good opportunity to work as a bank employee. You'll have all central facilities and all. So, let us see the notification which was released by SBI. SBI is most reputed bank organization, topmost organization. So let me explain you the detailed notification. Now here is a detailed notification. This notification was posted in SBI portal on 13th November 2020. Total 2000 vacancies are there in SBI organization all over India. So probationary officer is the top level cadre in SBI. Now here, as I told you that you will be having 2000 vacancies. Now the general category, let us see the application fee first, then we'll move on to details of qualifications and all. Application fee for general category, economically weaker section and OBC, it is 750 rupees, and for SC ST PWD no application fee, and payment mode is completely through online, that is either through debit card, credit card or internet banking. Now let us move on to the important dates. So the application, online application is going to start from November 14th 2020. The last date for applying online and the payment fee is December 4th, and the last date for printing your application is December 19th. Yeah, you can download the call letters in the month of December, second week of December onwards, and the date of examination, that is a preliminary examination, is third or fourth week of December. So you can even download the call letters of online preliminary examination for third week of December, and online exam, preliminary exam is going to be conducted on 31st December, 2nd, 4th and 5th January 2021. So you are having 2 months in your hand. So guys, you can prepare well for your exam, and obviously after writing the exam you will be eagerly waiting for your results. So the date of results for online preliminary exam is on third week of January 2021. So as soon as you have completed your online preliminary exams, those who have qualified for preliminary exams will be eagerly waiting for their main exams. So that downloading of call letters for online main exam is in third week of January 2021. And the main exam date is going to be conducted on 29th January 2021, and the results of the main exam is a third week or fourth week of February 2021. And the call letter for group discussion and interview is in the month of February, third or fourth week of 2021, and you will be having group exercises and interviews in the month of February, March, and the declaration of final result will be last week of March. So here are the important dates, girls. So all candidates, please focus on the important dates, and let me explain you the age limit for a PO, that is probationary officers. The minimum age is 21 years and maximum age is 30 years, and age relaxation is applicable as per the central government rules for all SC, ST, OBC and PWD. And see, here is a total vacancy details for probationary officer general category 810, for probationary officer OBC category 540, for SC category 300, for ST category 150, and for economically weaker section 200. So total 2000 posts were vacant here. So I hope all the candidates, those who are willing to apply for SBI PO, got some information about the PO notification. So here I have collected the entire details and explained you in a short format. This might be useful for your online process application. And so all the best for all the candidates who are willing to apply. I hope you will be successful in this examination. Guys, don't forget to subscribe our channel, because we are going to give you more and more job notification information in a short and very crisp format. So subscribe our channel, like the video, share the video to your friends, colleagues, and in your WhatsApp group. But finally, don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you.